This is the month's theme, and the theme for this month is eye candy. It looks like this. The first one in the box is this, the brow gel. It looks like this. This is a tinted eyebrow gel, and this is retail for $22. I have my eyebrows done already, so let's just put this one. The second in the box is this Pores No More vacuum cleaner for purifying mist from Dr. Brandt. It looks like this. This is retail for $47. Wow, looks like that. The next in the box is this brush duo from SL Miss Glam, collaboration with Boxycharm, maybe. This is retail for $38.50, and it looks like this. This is very cute, very pretty. The next item in the box is this eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. This is the Element of Surprise. It looks like this. This is retail for $16. This is how it looks like. Next that I want to use is this color right here, and I'm gonna use the same brush. The next that I'm gonna put is this one, same brush. So this is the first row, the second row, and the third row of the palette. The last item in the box is this MAC Lip Density Lipstick. It looks like this. This is in a shade Burnt Violet. It looks like this. This is super cute. And this one is retail for $21. Yeah. This is how it looks like. I hope this goes better in my eye look. Let's see. Nope, definitely not. That's all for this April month's box. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!